I'm gonna play a game or make a parody or maybe just a new video. It's Rivero. Skip! Oh, that was mine. I think that was yours that time. Someone's at the door. I'm not getting it. You're so gullible.
Dude, what are you doing?
I'm just drinking water, man.
I'm leaving. Stop following me. Dude, that's gross.
You know, someday these jokes are gonna come back to bite you. Yeah, right, like that'll ever happen.
Change, spare change. Anybody got any change?
Oh, I got some change, 1 second. You totally fell for it.
To pay for those who have caused such strife, sound effects from alcohol to your everyday life.
What was that?
You have been cursed. Enjoy your new life.
Right. Well, I'm just gonna go.
Okay.
That witch's curse is definitely inconvenient, I'll give her that. Why is it so hot? Oh no.
Alex? 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 Alex! I'm sure you understand this is a serious job that requires intense concentration. If you even want a chance for this job, you'll need to start by fixing your schedule.
Look, sir, I'm sorry. I swear I have a good schedule. I just had a really bad night. Excuse me.
Right. Anyways, first and foremost, I want to check your current opinion on...
I'm so sorry. That wasn't me. How would I even...
I've met a lot of screwballs in my life, but you take the cake. I think we're out of time.
No, please, sir, you give me another chance. I swear I can... I'll just go.
Spare change. Spare change.
What are you doing in my spot?
Please, you gotta change me back. I can't live like this.
Oh, you mean that curse from a couple weeks ago? That was all fake.
What? Then who's been doing the sounds?
Your friend over there.
Karma. You! Get back here!
How do you slurp water? Whoa.
Oh, yeah, it works.